Welcome to this Opsani presentation on improving operational efficiency by using Opsani's continuous optimization. I'm Lauren Bowden. I'm the Director of Customer Engineering here at Opsani, and I'm a 20-year veteran of traditional infrastructure management, cloud service operations, and SaaS service delivery. If we look at a traditional CI/CD pipeline, code moves through the pipeline and ends up being promoted to a development or a pre-production staging area. And this is typically where SREs will spend countless hours doing manual effort to optimize applications before they get released to production. And once applications are released to production, invariably, whether it's a day, a week, or a month, we're going to see an SLO violation. And these occur for a variety of reasons. It could just be noisy neighbors, could be new code, could be underlying infrastructure, could be unexpected user behavior. Our first reaction is to over-provision, and that's to restore the user experience. Typically, then what happens is a triage will occur, and then a reactive build will get sent through the pipeline. And once again, the SREs have to go through that same manual effort to readjust the applications for their target service level objectives, and then resend them through the production pipeline. It's a tremendous waste of effort. Let's have a look at how Opsani can help. Ideally, Opsani is implemented here in your production phase. That means that as applications are promoted into production, they undergo continuous optimization. Opsani will re-optimize the applications based upon the needs and demands that are occurring at that time. This ensures your applications are optimized for their peak performance and reliability at the lowest possible cost. Implementing Opsani into the DevOps or development phase as well as the production phase, results in applications that are optimized for size and performance before they even go to the SRE teams. This saves multiple man days of guesswork and adjustment of settings until the SREs find a combination that can be promoted to production. We can do this all for you, and let me show you how Opsani can do this. If we look at a typical 3-tier web application, I have a web front end, a Java mid-tier, and a database in the back, and we have a number of parameters that can be adjusted within the SAP stack. Here we can see the application as it was promoted to production. It had 1 CPU on the database, it had 4 gigs of heap allocated, it had a single web server CPU, and there were 8 web servers in the load balancer. Once the optimization was performed in the production area, you can see that the application was rescaled and readjusted to suit the demand that was occurring. If we look at the performance chart, you can see when it was released, the demand or the throughput rate was low for the application, and there was a sudden increase of demand in the application, which results in the need to rescale and re-optimize. You can see by the results. The database was changed from 1 CPU to 3.2. There was adjustment to commit delay, an additional gig of memory added to the Java heap. Garbage collection time ratio was adjusted down. Web CPU was adjusted slightly up by 0.2, but notice the number of web replicas were reduced from 8 to 3. This ensures now that the application is optimized for the current loads and demands for the application. It adjusted down the scale of the front end because that was over-provisioned, and it adjusted up the scale of the back end to handle the additional throughput rate that is now being made on the application. This was all done autonomously, meaning there is no need for manual effort. Let Opsani's machine learning optimizations save you time and money as you're promoting your applications to production. Best of all, you can do it for yourself. You can sign up for a free trial and optimize one of your own applications today, and see just exactly how Opsani can help you optimize your applications and reduce all that wasted effort.